Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this pair of pants. So this is the Lululemon ABC Slim Fit pant. This is the Utilitech one. This is my pants of choice for sure. And let's see, just got this. Just got this in the mail. Let's check out if they've changed anything. Haven't got new pairs of these in a while, but here's the tag. So it shows all the features. It's a nice color. Let's see. Lululemon feels high quality as usual from Lululemon. I mean, these are my daily pants that I wear because they're so stretchy and durable. There's a tag. There's the front. So, wow, these look nice. So they have two pockets up here, which I like. This little coin pocket here, also like that. What I really like is this. So this pocket is a normal pocket on the back left side, but the back right side pocket has a pocket here, but also a zipper here. So the zipper is where I put my wallet. So I zip up my wallet in here, and there's another pocket for other stuff you want to store. So the zipper is very clutch to me. Yeah, color's great. Looks good. I think, what color is this? It says color is BALF, I think, but I'll confirm in the video description on this color name. Cool. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of these pants in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think of other pants. If you guys got other favorite daily pants that are breathable, stretchable, stretchy like this one, let me know. I'd like to try out other brands and unbox them. Well, let's check out the tag. Here's the tag. Designed in Vancouver, made in Vietnam. So let's see if that's consistent with other Lululemon ABC Slim Fit pants. Cool. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you all in the next unboxing video. Later.